How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I received a shipment and wanted to show you and unbox for you what we got in. As you know, MT Motoring has been bringing in a lot of products lately, so you can only tell what this is, but wanted to share with all of you out there what I got in. Also, if you haven't already, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel. We're doing the 1,000 subscriber merch giveaway. All you gotta do is subscribe to this channel, follow our socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Links are in the description below. And once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away some merch. Got both boxes opened up. The large rectangular box has some parts here. If some of you have been following MT Motoring for a while, whether it's on YouTube or social media, you know that we have a line of over fenders. And these are the over fenders for the Ford Fiesta ST. I'm gonna open these and check everything, making sure there's no damages to the product. And also that right there are the 1617 Accord center front lip, which I'll open up and show you in just a moment as well. It is certainly humid today. I am sweating. It's about 101, 102, but the humidity level is really high. It's near monsoon season for Vegas, I guess. So, but anyways, here's the product. So this is the US spec Ford Fiesta ST fender flare set. The front fender pieces, the rear quarters, the front bumper pieces, and then the door pieces. And you also have the Garage Unique 16 to 17 Accord carbon fiber front center lip. Got a handful of these that came in. If you'd like to order, go ahead and hit us up. But yeah, that's what came in on this shipment. There's more stuff on the way, just production times and trying to clear out some old inventory before I start going crazy ordering, because I have all that stuff I gotta clear out still. So right now I'm just trying to not overcrowd the garage where I can't get to anything, and obviously it's been real bad lately. But yeah, these are the products. Just to let you know, the Ford Fiesta ST fender flares, go ahead and hit up Ron at Whoosh Motorsports. He pretty much bought this whole entire inventory order shipment, so we have a more reliable way of getting these done now. So if you're interested, just hit up Ron. We're gonna have a continual feed of product. So thank you so much to everybody that's been patient with this process. I know it's been a minute for people that have been waiting. Thank you for pre-ordering through Ron. Really wanna show, like I said, thank you so much for being patient, but now have another mold made and production on the fender flares is well underway. So if you need a set, just go ahead and hit up Ron. I know he's got a lot of pre-orders in already, so I don't know how many units he has left that hasn't been claimed yet. So hit him up as soon as you can if you want a set, and as soon as we get sold out, then we're gonna put it in for another batch to be made. Okay, but aside from that, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, thanks for all the support. Until next time, you guys take care.